We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was within this move, we mentioned we can expect this one turn to flat for one more drop. Then from there, any buy we can take it, and this is what we have been looking for. But whatever we explained, we mentioned it was based on, even we referred to the 15-minute, and for to look for this trade, the best way was to trade based on 15 minutes. As we can see, exactly the price was within this move. Even we mentioned if we move a bit higher, we can expect to get the one more drop. All right. After that, we mentioned we can, if we get, when we get the drop similar to what we get here, we mentioned any reversal we could look for buy, and we had two opportunity to look for trade. All right. And even we mentioned if we get any buy with the breakout of this top, we have to start to manage. That means if anyone they catch this trade right now, at least they move their stop loss to break even. All right, depends where they get, either from this one or this flag. All right, and now we want to see what's the next. This is what we have been looking for, and we get, and now we want to see what's the next. And if we move to 1 hour chart, what I'm expecting is still we can expect for the continuation. The only thing is we want to see whether the price can break 0.734 or not. Anyway, we move to higher time frame, and what I want to see based on daily chart, that still we can look for continuation, but we should know that since we get this one was really sharp, it have to correct itself before we get the continuation. All right, similar to what we get here, we get the sharp move, the prices start to correct. All right, even if we expecting this one give us a correction either from here or when the price move higher. That's why we want to see whether the price can break 0.734 or not. Okay, the reason I want to highlight this one is that we're looking for continuation, but we will expect to get the correction. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy, they should know about this, and they should have the proper management. Okay, in case the price start to correct or deeper correction similar to what we get here, at least they can manage the trades they hold. All right, in this case we move to forward chart. Even based on forward chart, we don't have anything, and if he wants to look for trade, we refer to either 15-minute or 1 hour chart. Any small flag or small correction, still we can look for trade. It doesn't mean if we get the correction here, still we can look for trade. But any trade from now we consider as a short-term trade. What I mean by short-term, as long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any changes, I will share. And right now we don't have any trade set up to look for buy. The only thing is if we get any flag of a small correction here, we take the next trade. And again, any trade from now we consider as a short term, and we want to see whether the price can break 0.734 or not. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.